So today we are going to talk about LPC2148, GPIO ports and registers. So basically we know that LPC2148 is a 32-bit microcontroller based on ARM7 processor. So what is the GPIO? GPIO stands for General Purpose Input Output. Okay, so basically we have a microcontroller IC which is having some pins. So our LPC2148 is having 64 pins, so it comes with 64 uh, pin package. So all it is having 64 pins. So this pins can be act as an input pin to the microcontroller or as output pin to the microcontroller. So we are going to divide this particular pins into two groups. So that group of pins is called as ports. Okay, so this 64 pins we are dividing into 32 pins and 32 pins. So that's why we have two ports, port 0 and port 1. So port 0 will be representing the 32 pins and a port 1 will be representing the another 32 pins. Okay, so if we see that a port 0, it is having 32 pins. So, okay, and port 1 is also having 32 pins, but all the pins will not be available for the user. Few pins will be reserved. Okay, so how to represent the pins of a particular port is, if I am talking about 31 pin of port 0, it will be written as P0.31. So if similarly if I am talking about the 24th pin of port 0, then it is written as P0.24. okay, similarly if I am talking about pin 16 of port 1, then it is written as P1.16. so P0 means port 0, P1 means port 1. okay, so as I said, like few pins will be available, few will not be available. So in port 1 only pin 16 to pin 31 are available for us. Okay, and the other pin 0 to pin 15 are reserved. Okay, so if we see the pin diagram for our LPC2148, you can see it is a 64 pin package. Okay, so every pin is having different functions. Every pin can perform these different functions. So you can see that pins are multifunction. So if you observe the pin number 1, it is having 4 different functions to be performed. Okay, so I can say that functions are multiplexed on a single pin. So one particular single pin can perform maximum 4 functions. So while using that particular pin, we need to decide which function that particular pin has to perform. Okay, so for that purpose we have a register which is pin function select register. So all these registers what we will be talking about are 32-bit registers. Okay, so the first register we are talking about is pin function select register. So it is going to decide the function of the pin. Okay, so as we say that pins are multifunction. Okay, so if we are having two function, we can easily represent that two function as 0 as function 1, 1 as function 2. But here we are having maximum 4 functions, so that's why to represent one function we require 2 bits. Okay, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 like that. Okay, so our LPC2148 is having 3 pin select registers. Okay, labeled as pin select 0, pin select 1, pin select 2. How it is written as PINSEL, pin select 0, pin select 1, pin select 2. Okay, so as we said, these registers are 32-bit, right? And to configure one particular pin, we require 2 bits. Okay, so a 32-bit register can configure only 16 pins. So that's why we have this pin select 0, okay, which is going to configure pin 0 of port 0 to pin 15 of port 0, right? So you can see that this is a 32-bit register starting from bit 0 to bit 31. Okay, bit 0 and bit 1 is configuring for pin 0 of port 0. Bit 2 and bit 3 is configuring pin 1 of port 0. Similarly, bit 26 and bit 27 is configuring pin 13 of port 0, right? So only 16 pins of port 0 can be configured using pin select 0 register. So the next 16 pins from 16 to 31 can be configured using pin select 1 register. Okay, so here is a pin select 1 register which is configuring port 0 pin 16 to port 0 pin 31 pins. Okay, similarly 2 bits for one particular pin. So you can observe here 0 and 1 bit is for port 0 pin 16, 28 and 29 is for port 0 pin 30, right? So this is like pin select 1 register. Similarly, we have third register as a pin select 2 register. So as we know that only pin 16 to pin 31 of port 1 are available for us, so only that we will be using this 16 pin. So only one register is enough, which is pin select 2 to configure the port 1 pins. Okay, so pin